Hey, what's up everybody? It's Randy over here at Unique Design, and I figured with everything going on and a lot of people not being able to work and just everything that's in place, I figured it'd be a good time to go ahead and do something so we can connect with people, our customers and upcoming customers. So what I want to do is, I'm here at the shop working. Since we can't have our staff here, it's pretty much just me and one other guy at the time, since we can't really have a full staff with the quarantine. I figured tonight is the perfect time to go ahead and launch a video series. So what I want to do is put together just not necessarily a blog, but basically just a way for us to connect with our customers and new coming customers on how to start a clothing brand. And over here at Unique Design, we have 3 brands of our own which we sell online through Amazon, through our own website, through distributors, through stores, as well as we print and design for other brands. So unlike other blogs that are out there on how to start a clothing brand, ours is a little bit different because not only do we run a brand, but we also run a screen printing and design company that prints and designs for other brands as well as our own. So we can tell you the perspective of a brand as far as what it takes to run a brand, market, sell, and also the perspective of a screen printer. So once you are a clothing company or a clothing brand, you eventually go to a printer to print your apparel. And so I want to also walk you through those steps of what to expect and what charges you're looking at and what things that you'll be paying for and everything that goes into that. So look at it as a clothing brand blog and also a screen printing blog combined into one, because that's pretty much what we do here at Unique Design. So what I want to do is just kind of take you through the beginning process, and not only are we going to tell you about what goes into building apparel, but also the marketing side of it, the selling side of it. If you ever plan on selling on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or whatever it is, we run full e-commerce here as well. Shipping, taxes, all that stuff, anything that you guys ever thought of as far as putting together a clothing brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting out a series, try to keep every video under 5 minutes, and no, they're not professionally edited because I can't have a staff here. So I'm basically shooting this on my iPhone with a selfie stick, and I'm just gonna put it up online. And if you guys are interested in got questions or whatever it is, we'll try to cover as much as we can until this quarantine's over. So we're looking at 4 to 6 weeks. So with that time, I'm gonna have a lot of time on my hands. I'm still working, we're still designing, we're still printing here, very little again, because we can't have the staff that we want to because of the rules of keeping 6 feet distance and social distancing. And we respect our employees' health, and we want to make sure that they're all going to come out healthy, and that we care about their families. So we want to make sure that that we're looking out for them as well as we're looking out for the company. And then one great thing about running a brand is we're still able to do business even though everything's on lockdown. We're still selling online, we're still fulfilling orders, and we're still designing. So all that stuff is still taking place right here at the shop. So again, I'm going to just take you through the first steps. This is just kind of intro. Nothing's really scripted. Just kind of thoughts off of my head and what I can do to help further you guys. If you guys ever thought about starting a brand or even thought about being a printer, we can take you through all those steps and just what you're looking forward to. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna start just pretty much doing 5-minute videos throughout the week. Try to stay on it again, because once the quarantine's over, I don't know how much more I can do, because we are pretty busy over here. And so during this quarantine status, I might as well take this time to really put something together that we can all benefit from and learn from. So once again, I'm over here at Unique. Maybe I got a shirt on right there, yeah. And coming from you at the office, and we'll have some more content hopefully in the next day or two. Where to start, I'll kind of think about that and just put it out there. So thanks for all the support, you guys. Any other questions or anything you have, leave some comments. Unfortunately, we don't have time for any negativity, so if there's any negative comments, I'm just going to go ahead and delete them. Again, I'm just doing this to take the time that I have, and hopefully anybody who has time to learn, this is a great time to do it. All right, you guys have a great day.